What it do, bitches? All right. So I got this. All the girlies are doing it, so I don't want to hear nothing. So we're gonna try it today. This is what my hair is looking like. In case you want to ask. It's like a mohawk sort of thing. So just say, you know, follow directions. You know what I'm saying? This comes with it, with this and this. All right. These lashes are a bit thin. So I bought some. So I bought some of these to pop in the middle. You know what I'm saying? Actually, all the TikTok girlies do this. So I feel like I can do it. Feel like I can do it. Ooh. Okay, let's begin. Ooh, I can't really see nothing. Okay, bond. Oh. And it say, it's all right, that was a disaster. And I just, hold on. Okay, we finna try it again. Okay, so far so bad. Okay, so far so fucking bad. Excuse my language. Okay, okay, okay. We're gonna take a little, the end. Oh, fuck. Oh my God. Jesus. Damn, we're gonna hide. Are they? Oh, it's a cover. It's a cover. Oh my God. Okay, and then it says to go under. So let's go under. Oh no. This is kind of hard. I didn't expect this to be so hard. Maybe I need a mirror. Let's try it again, right? We're gonna try it again. Because if the girlies can do it, I can do it. Okay. I'll be back. This is where I'm at so far, right? They're looking ridiculous, right? A little bit. But I'll put some more individuals that are there so it don't look as ridiculous. So